So we're going to review this app, Critique AI. Okay. And in this AI, they say it can help you get locked in and stay constant. In other words, it helps you to kind of develop habits and stay constant with those habits. You can track goals, log workouts, and count calories in one place, compete with friends, and etc. Okay, so during the setup of this app, you have to kind of do some take a 30-second survey to customize experience. So let's try to do this, or you can even actually skip, but let's just try to do this. How do you feel about your overall appearance? I don't need help with this. I think this is okay. How do you feel in social setting? Uncomfortable? It depends on the situation. I think, let me say, it depends on the situation. How confident do you feel when talking to someone you're attracted to? Not confident, somewhat confident, very confident. I think somewhat confident. What's the hardest part about socializing for you? Not knowing what to say, clarity, reading social cues, maintaining interesting. Okay, let me go with that. Has social anxiety ever held you back from opportunities? I think sometimes. How do you feel about your current fitness level? I want to improve, definitely. How do you often, rarely or never? What's your primary fitness goal? I want to build muscle, lose, improve overall health. I think, let me do that. What's the main reason you struggle to stay consistent? Fitness, don't know what to do, lack of time or resources, don't know what to do. I think, let me go with that. How ready are you to take action? Just exploring my options for now. I'll order you. I think, let me put that. And yep. So this survey actually helps you to this app to kind of plan how they're going to handle you. I believe it's crucial instead of actually skipping it. Okay, we identify your growth opportunities based on your responses. We found strong desire for personal growth, opportunity to enhance social confidence. Your confidence compared to the average, it's 90%. Your score 36 lower than the average. Start your journey. Okay, give us a rating. Not really now. So how can I give? Okay, let me just give it like 2. All right. So your 6-week plan, you reach level of confidence by September 9th. We are in July, August, September. So this is like 2 months, I think. You increase confidence, better appearance, position, dating success, and better relationships, physical strength, more energy. Your goals are start conversation with ease, connect with others confidently, develop a constant workout habit. Today's tasks: confidence script, 5 custom conversation starters based on your personality. Why this helps? Your plan leverages techniques that have helped thousands of young men. Okay, so let me start my journey. Okay. Um, get unlimited access to your AI confidence coach, including personalized weekly plan, voice feedback on your speaking, daily. I think I'm not going to do this for now. Okay. Okay. Let me subscribe. Okay. Whoops. This is $47. I think I'm going to first leave this out. Okay. Okay. So you can actually exit from here. All right. So only £47. Okay. So today's great chicken. So, oh my gosh. So I can't really use this app without paying. So let me try to maybe close it and see if I can really open it again. Okay, so seems we can't really do anything without really paying. When I go here, let me check out some reviews of what people say. I only downloaded this because it was recommended by YouTuber. I think you know which one, but I didn't realize it was a paid app until I installed it. And finally, I did pay for yearly subscription because I was paying for. Before I did pay. It for me makes more sense money-wise, but after having the app for a couple of days, I can honestly say it's unworthy. I likely use my credit card, so paying that back won't be that bad. But when I will look for a familiar app that is easy. This app is not free, apparently. It keeps feeding me the premium subscription pop-up. First of all, I can't even close the pop-up. Okay, I'll give you 5 star. Okay, so I think we can't really use this for free, but some people are really having a good time. The app is really rubbish after I paid 1 year subscription. I logged off and I can't log back. There's no way to find the username. The best app to get muscles. I could not finish a sentence while talking to a girl without getting nervous. My advice to you is to make it time by keep trying hard. Okay, I think talking with girls is something which I can really find ways I can improve that other than paying for $47. Seriously, guys. Okay. I think there's so many coaches online and free books which I can really try out. For exercise, I really definitely can really find some free apps which can help me with exercising. So it has helped my fitness and life in general. Okay, so I think it has helped some people. I'm not spending $40 for something I don't know. This is how I feel, guys. Okay, I wish we could try it like for maybe like 3 days or something, but I can't really pay. I can't pay $47 for something I really don't know. Okay, so guys, this is what I can think. Personally, this is what I feel also. Okay, it's like it should be like there's no trial, no monthly, no nothing, just the first screen forcing you to pay something after taking your info. Just stupid. Could be cool on the inside though, but still 1 star. Okay, so I feel like this guy, there's no way I'm really going to pay for now for critique. It really looks to be a good app, but I really don't know what to expect inside. So guys, I think for me, I'm just going to give up for now. I will just find a way I can find myself fit and how to talk to girls, maybe in other YouTube videos. Bye. See you in the next video. Bye bye.